Hi everyone, thank you for joining me. My name is Richard. I am the owner of San Diego Cell Phone Repair, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to replace the screen on the iPhone 11. Take a better look at this. This one has some puncture in the screen, but everything will be better after the repair. The phone will go back to normal after the screen replacement. All right, let's get right into it. iPhone 11 screen repair.
All right, so here we have the iPhone 11, and as you can see, this screen, it's like, looks all like kind of scrambled. Looks like something probably hit, obviously, like right there, bam. All right, so let's go over some numbers first before I begin. This is gonna be a $125 job. The screen actually costs $30, which is gonna give me $95 in profit. This repair is probably gonna take me like 10 minutes. iPhones are like super easy to repair. If anybody's like starting out, I definitely always recommend to start learning cell phone repair on iPhones. They're just easier to fix. They're quick, like that. This is the new screen. This is how it looks, just like this. These screens come with these metal plates right here, and with the screws already installed, holding the metal shield already in place. So that's why these phones, they're really easy to repair. All right, so the first thing that we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna wanna take out the bottom two screws. And the way you do that is with this iPhone pentalobe screwdriver. You're gonna need 3 different screwdrivers to repair this phone. And then what I'm gonna do next is get a heat gun, and I'm gonna blow heat around the bottom of the phone. My God, I just noticed that. Look at the little notches on the bottom. See, that's the real notch. And then this thing ended up appearing down there. All right, so then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a little tool like this and just wedge it in between the screen and the metal frame. And then I'll get something like a gift card like this. There we go. There we go. All right, so you're gonna get up to this point, and it's still kind of glued in a little bit up there, so we'll just use heat up at the top. Just like that. And then it'll fold open to the right, just like this. So as you see, there's a couple of shields that we're gonna take out. So we're gonna take out this, and we're also gonna take out this right here. And then we're gonna unplug the battery with this like kind of plastic tool thing. And then we're gonna take out another 5 screws right here. We'll unplug this right here. We'll unplug the screen connections. What we're gonna do next is take out these screws right here, as you can see. We're gonna switch over to another screwdriver. And now we're gonna need another screwdriver tip. You're gonna go through 3 different screwdrivers with this iPhone. All right, so here's an important thing. So if anybody's new watching this, pay attention to this, because if you damage this cable, your Face ID is not gonna work anymore, okay? You don't wanna do that. So the way that I take this off, and the reason why I use heat, because this cable, it's kind of stuck onto the glass. They use some type of adhesive, and I use heat to warm it up. So it just watch the technique, or the way that I do this. I'm gonna blow heat on the outside of it. All right, and then I'm gonna grab my plastic tool like this, this thing will go like this. You can unflap this little metal thing right here. And then I'm gonna go underneath the little mic right here. And underneath this and lift up a little bit. And then I'm just gonna grab the pointy side and I'm just gonna use that. And I'm gonna lift this thing right here. And there you go. Just like that. That's the way I teach how to take this out. Otherwise, let's say if you use a flathead screwdriver and you're screwing around, lifting stuff up, and let's just say this small piece cuts off or something like that, Face ID is not gonna work anymore, right? All right, so this is the old screen. We don't need this anymore. This is the new screen. So all we're gonna have to do is just transfer this onto here. That's it. And then just work our way in reverse. We're pretty much already halfway done. Take off this wrapper stuff right here. All right, so I got that stuff off. Now we're gonna install this thing right back into the new screen. I usually start with the rectangle thing first. And then I feel with my thumb. Then this thing gets flapped over like this. You align the screw holes right here. And then put the screws right back in. See these 4 right here? I'm gonna go right here. All right, so that's now screwed in there. I want you guys to look at these screwdrivers. See, these are all color coded. I already know which one's which. This is like the main one right here. And then this one is the Y-tip screwdriver right here. And then this one is the Pentalobe, the 2 long bottom ones. There's the brand right there, TUUL. They're all the same. And then it has a little picture right there on which screws or which screw tips. See this one's a Y-tip. See it closer. That one's kind of the star one. And then this one, I guess they call it the Phillips or something like that. See that? There you go. All right. All right, so what we're gonna do next is just plug in the connections. And how I do it is I start with the one on the top first, which is this one. So the way that I do this to make it easier is I flip this around like this. I go like this, and then I go like that. Plug it in just like that. And I flip this around like this. And then I plug the other screen connections right in. And then I'll plug in the battery. All right, everything is plugged in right here. So all we have to do is just put in the shields. I'll start with the one on the top first. This one right here. Align the screw holes with your little tool, plastic tool right here. It makes it easier for your hand to put the screws in. We'll start with the top left one first. All right, so that's pretty much done. All right, so what we're gonna do now is just close this right here. And the way that I do this, I start on the top of the phone. So I'm gonna go like this up here. And then I'm gonna go side by side. There it is. I'm gonna turn the phone on. And then put the final 2 screws on the bottom. And that, everybody, is the iPhone 11 screen repair. What an easy way to make $95 in profit, you guys, in 10 to 15 minutes. All right, you guys, if any of you guys need help or have any questions or would like to learn more about the cell phone repair business, I do have a cell phone repair course. Check out the link in the description underneath this video. I go over everything there is in my 10 years of the cell phone repair business that I have been in. All right, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.